Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in AI video creation, you've probably heard about Hailuo AI. It's becoming popular because it can generate high quality videos from simple text prompts and images. But before spending your money, it's important to understand exactly what the subscription offers. So let's dive in. Getting started is very simple. First, visit the official Hailuo AI website. Click the sign up button if you're a new user. You can create an account using your email address or continue with your Google account, depending on the available login options. If you already have an account, simply click Login, enter your credentials, and you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can start creating AI videos. The dashboard is clean and beginner friendly, so even if you've never used an AI video generator before, you'll quickly understand how everything works. Now let's talk about the subscription. The biggest advantage is that you receive more AI credits, allowing you to generate many more videos than the free plan. Subscribers also usually get faster video generation, meaning you spend less time waiting for your projects to finish. Another major benefit is access to higher quality video outputs, additional creative tools, premium effects, and sometimes early access to newly released features. If you're creating YouTube videos, social media content, advertisements, or client projects regularly, these premium features can save a lot of time and improve your overall workflow. So should you buy the subscription? If you're just experimenting with AI video generation or creating videos occasionally, the free version is a great place to start. However, if you're producing content consistently and need faster processing, more credits, and better quality, the subscription can be a worthwhile investment. The value really depends on how often you'll use the platform. Overall, Hailuo AI offers a smooth user experience, impressive AI video quality, and useful premium features for content creators. Before purchasing, compare the available subscription plans and choose the one that best matches your needs and budget. If this review helped you understand Hailuo AI better, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments whether you choose the free plan or the premium subscription. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.